Hi, most of the students hate mathematics because they don't learn it well, because they are not taught it well. You see, what the instructors mostly do in teaching mathematics is teaching the nonsense mathematical tools, like this is how to multiply, that is how to integrate, without giving any good reason for the tools. For instance, why do we need to multiply? And I believe this is why students do not learn mathematics well. It shows itself vividly when students trying to do homework, when they asking themselves, at least unconsciously, that what's all the effort for? They start become disappointed and give up. I should say that the instructors sometimes give some reasons or applications for the nonsense mathematical tools. For instance, in teaching integral calculus in a typical calculus course, the instructor starts by defining integrals and then teaching the methods of integration, and finally gives the students some of its applications. But it is finally, after torturing them by teaching the nonsense methods and giving them homework, requiring them to do the crazy integrations. But a good instructor should talk about the applications before teaching the methods, to give the students some motivation to learn the methods, also do the homework. In my tutorial channel, unlike the usual way of teaching mathematics, I try to give you applications for every single mathematical thing I teach, and I don't do it at the end, but I do it at the right time. So you're going to learn mathematics first by love, then fast and easy. Okay, thank you.